Let's tint some eyebrows. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Larissa. I've been a makeup artist for 10 years, and we are on day 27 of my 30-day series where you either ask a question with makeup or skincare related and I answer in a video. Today, we don't have a question, so we're going to try this Maybelline Tattoo Brow Easy Peel Off Tint. So it's supposed to last for 3 days. I have the shade light medium. Never done this before, so hopefully let's hope it's not a disaster. I guess step one, let's brush up the brow hairs. It's getting there. Step two is to go ahead and apply this where you want it in the shape that you want it. And oh, there's a fluff there. This makes me a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm doing this with my camera, not a mirror, so let me just do this properly with the mirror. Okay, so the tip of the brush is really thin. And it's a little sparse. I don't know if it's supposed to come off because it's supposed to be like a peel off. You leave this on for 20 minutes and then peel it off, but let's do the other eyebrow. So that's a little scary. It's supposed to peel off. I have the shade light medium. You're supposed to leave it on for 20 minutes. I'm just gonna go fix up the shape with a Q-tip on this side, and then I'll be back in 20 minutes to see if this worked or not, or if it was a big oops. I really hope it's not a big oops. Oh, that's quite the look. So it's been about 20 minutes, so I'm going to go and see if this comes off in one piece. Oh, it does. Okay. Oh. It's sticky. Okay. Okay, that actually turned out really nice. Let's do the other one. Let's go ahead. Peel that off. Super easy. Comes right off. Okay. It's nice. I didn't mess up my eyebrows. I'm impressed. Okay, I'm impressed. Like, it stains more of the skin than anything else, but it looks super natural. I was scared. I thought I was going to have crazy eyebrows. So just be really precise when you're putting this on. Use a Q-tip to kind of shape it. But other than that, I'm impressed. All right, let me know if this is something you're going to do to your own eyebrows, if you've tried this product, or if you have any makeup or skincare related questions, drop them in the comments and I'll answer. Thanks, guys.